Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be talking about setting up your own cloud-based virtual data room. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to set up your own cloud-based virtual data room VDR. So let's start. However, VDRs can also be used for a variety of other purposes such as raising capital from investors, loan organization, legal discovery, collaboration with vendors and partners. Setting up your own cloud-based VDRs is a relatively strategic straightforward process. Here are the steps involved. Choose a cloud-based VDR provider. There are a number of different cloud-based VDR providers available, so it is important to compare their feature and pricing before making a decision. Some factors to consider include security features, ease of use, collaboration features, pricing. Create an account and set up your VDR. Once you have chosen a cloud-based VDR provider, you will need to create an account and set up your VDR. This process will vary depending on the provider, but it is typically very straightforward. And user and set permission. Once you have set up your VDR, you will need to add user and set permission. You can control who has access to the VDR and what permission they have. This is important for protecting your sensitive data. Upload your document. Once you have added user and set permission, you choose start uploading your document to the VDR. You can upload individual document or entire folder of documents. Organize your document. Once you have uploaded your document, you can organize time into folder and subfolder. This will make it easier for user to find the document they need. Share your VDR. Once you have organized your document, you can share the VDR with other users. You can do this by sending them a link to the VDR or by inviting them to access it. That's it. Hope you will understand this topic. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.